if you are looking at getting into house sitting, maybe Q4, maybe over the holiday season, then this video is definitely for you. It's a quick sneak peek on how to use your filters in the Trusted House Sitters platform and save some of the searches that look good to you. So let me show you some that I found for my clients today. All right, guys, this is it from Trusted House Sitters. That's the platform you know I'm an advocate. So let's look at the newest sits that are available. We're going to do all pets, but we're actually going to look at like the end of the summer all the way to the beginning of the year. And this is for those of us who are looking for longer term sits. The duration you can change, so at least 2 weeks in a location, and let's see what comes up between August and the beginning of the year. These are some sits that are currently available, and you know, I say if you're looking to experiment with a new location, then what you should do is get a cat sit, because they don't take up any kind of time. But listen, people always want to know about no pet responsibilities. Here's one right now. It's for more than 2 weeks. Read the responsibilities. It's in Germany. If that was part of your vacation plan or your travel plans, then maybe this is a sit that would be of interest to you. There are no responsibilities other than just kind of taking care of the garden, that type of thing. So, you know, we're talking about Canada, the UK, domestic sits all throughout the country. There is absolutely no excuse. If I were in a situation where perhaps I was looking at being unhoused for a period of time, or I just wanted to get out of the country, listen, look at this. Look at this Caribbean sit. Now, everything ain't for everybody, but these are the types of opportunities that are available on Trusted House Sitters. If these are responsibilities that you are okay doing in order to be able to stay with free accommodations, you know, in the Grenadines, why not? Check it out. Australia, Colorado. Look at this one in San Miguel. Oh my goodness. You know, that's a beautiful part of Mexico, and it's one of the most expensive places in Mexico to live. But if you could explore it with a house sit, then why not? Figure out if it's going to work for you. Read the responsibilities, double check, and then apply. You have absolutely nothing to lose by applying for these house sits. Again, if it's too much responsibility or tasks that you are not willing or able to take on, then I'm going to say pass it by. I don't care where it is and how badly you want to go there. If you can't, you know, live up to the responsibilities, then you're doing yourself and the pet owner a disservice. But again, on this morning, I just wanted to run through some of the beautiful sits that I found available on Trusted House Sitters. You check it out for yourself. Where in the world will house sitting take you?
She's gallivanting ambassadors, helping others create their own